Hi guys, so today we are going to do a quick bathroom refresh. So no painting, no drilling, just adding a few touches. So thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If this is the first time you're getting to see my face and interact with my videos, my name is Reggie. I do all things DIY, makeover and anything in between. So remember to subscribe, and thank you so much guys for 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So remember to subscribe, like this video and comment down below what you think. So let's get straight to this video.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my